Even as Congress leaders in Delhi remained busy discussing Karnataka's leadership change, a politically explosive report quietly landed in Bengaluru. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on May 27th received a long-pending caste census report from the Karnataka State Commission for Backward Classes at Vidhana Soudha. The move came at a time when speculation over his possible exit from the Chief Minister's post has intensified. The timing immediately sparked political attention. Siddaramaiah is seen as one of Karnataka's tallest OBC leaders, and the caste survey is being viewed as a major part of his political legacy. The survey, conducted in 2025 at a reported cost of 635 crore rupees, covered nearly 5.9 crore people across Karnataka. Officials said 54 questions were included in the exercise, making it one of the biggest socio-educational surveys conducted in the state. Commission Chairman Madhusudan Nayak denied any political angle behind the report's submission. He stated that the report had actually been ready for weeks and the delay was due to translation and final review work. But politically, the report now places the Congress government in a difficult position. The cabinet must decide whether to accept it, debate it in the assembly, or open it for public consultation. The issue has already divided powerful communities in Karnataka. Earlier caste survey reports had faced resistance from sections of Ukkalikas and Lingayats, including leaders within the ruling Congress itself. The development also carries national significance. Rahul Gandhi has repeatedly demanded caste enumeration across India and has made OBC representation a major political campaign issue. So while Karnataka waits for clarity on whether Siddaramaiah stays or steps down, the caste census report has reopened another sensitive political battle, one that could shape the state's politics well beyond the leadership transition.